Hi, I'm CJ Matthew. This is my screencast 2 for MongoDB project. Here, I will be showcasing how we can use MongoDB Combos and Atlas to do our queries. We will be taking an example of aggregation framework. So, this is MongoDB Atlas. Here I have created a cluster, and in cluster I have these collections. And I have created my own database, the pharmacy branch DB and the JSON file. Like we can do in many ways. One of the ways we will be able to do the access is like create a user here and give the read and write access. And in clusters, we can connect through MongoDB Compass. So if you are doing like that, give big details, we will get this SRV like connection string, and we need to go through our compass, and here we need to add a new connection and connect accordingly with our MongoDB Atlas. So if you are doing like that, our cluster would be connected here, and we could be able to import our branches JSON file from our local here. The same would be reflected in Atlas. So let me go here in browse collections. So here I can, like the structure is somewhat same with respect to Atlas and Compass. But Atlas have more capabilities if you want to like visualize our output or something like that. And one more interesting thing is like here, like we could use some of the queries to like just tell the Compass like what need to be done, and it will automatically create the query. For example, suppose we want to count documents. See, it is automatically counted. That is kind of a strong functionality that we could use. Like if you are doubtful on like what is happening or something like that, this particular feature could be used. So let's see how we would be able to do our query in Atlas. This is the question I am trying to solve. Calculate the turnover per pharmacist for large pharmacy branches in Dublin that employ between 3 and 4 pharmacists. So we are dividing it into 4 stages: match stage, at field stage, project stage, and sort stage. And in match stage, we will be matching our output. So if you are coming here, we need to go to the aggregation. Okay. And we can add stage. The stage 1 is match stage. So we will be selecting the match. We can see after match page, the 6 documents have been here. The next stage is add field stage. In add field stage, here it adds a new field for turnover per pharmacist to each document, calculated by dividing the branch annual turnover by its number of pharmacists. The result is rounded to 2 decimal places. So we will be adding stage here. You can see it is add fields. So the output is similar, but if we may increase the size. Now we have one more change. It is like turnover for pharmacist. Now the next stage is project stage. In project stage, it controls the output format. It only shows the pharmacy name, town, annual turnover, number of pharmacists, and newly calculated turnover per pharmacist field. it exclude like some of the fields. So our we will be able to like analyze more what we want rather than like all the details which is fetched for the document. So we are adding this. What field we are using? Field state. You can see, and the sort stage. In sort stage, the sorting results the document in descending order of turnover per pharmacist, like helping identify the most financially efficient branches first. So this is the way we are doing it in Atlas. The same way we can do it in Compass also. Thank you.